Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited for today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this silver smoky eye, and it's super easy to achieve, but my technique definitely makes it look really cleaned up and really presentable. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys are new to our channel, we host monthly giveaways every single month. So at the end of every month, we pick a new giveaway winner. So if you want to be entered, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. So jumping right into the tutorial, I'm picking up my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I've been loving this concealer for priming my eyelids. And I do set it with some translucent powder. I know not everyone sets their eyes, but I personally do. And then for today's palette, I'm going to be using two different palettes. The first one is going to be the Morphe 39A palette. And I'm just picking up that really big warm transition color. And I'm just going to be buffing that into my crease. And I'm really rounding out this shadow and just really hugging the natural curve of my eyelid. And then I'm going to be picking up an angled brush and this dark brown eyeshadow in the palette. This Morphe 39A palette is one of my favorite palettes, so if you guys haven't tried it, definitely recommend it. I'm just pretty much drawing a line of definition a little bit above my natural crease, and as you can see, I'm kind of making it more saturated on that outer edge and then just dragging in whatever I have left over on my brush. And then I'm picking up this small tapered brush and going in with a slightly lighter brown shade. It's still kind of a dark brown eyeshadow, but it's lighter than the first one that we used. And then going back into my angled brush and this black eyeshadow, I'm just going to be going over top of that first line that we drew and just kind of furthering the depth and just really adding some more dimension to this look. And like I did previously, really making sure that it's the most concentrated on that outer edge and then dragging in whatever is left over. Definitely try to be precise with your dark eyeshadows, because if you're not precise enough and you use too big of a brush, you're definitely going to have a really hard time blending, and it's easier to go in with less product and build it up than it is to take away product. And then I'm going in with this small tapered brush and I'm going into that darker brown eyeshadow just to really diffuse that black. And then going in with this angled brush and some more of my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Light Ivory once again to carve my eyelid. I'm thinking about doing a more in-depth video on how I carve my lid. Comment down below if you guys want a video like that. I've seen a couple requests. Then I'm going into my Too Faced Chocolate Gold eyeshadow palette and I'm picking up this silver shade called Dripping Diamonds. And this eyeshadow is absolutely stunning. I like that palette because it has a lot of shimmer and metallic shades. There aren't that many transition colors, but it's really good for colors to pop on the lid. And then I'm going in with that dark brown eyeshadow and just really diffusing that on that outer corner. And like I said before, really concentrating it on the outer edge and then dragging it in. Then I'm doing the same thing with the black eyeshadow and this pencil brush. The black eyeshadow in this palette is absolutely phenomenal. It's really hard to find a good black eyeshadow that's really pigmented, and this one is bomb. And then I'm going into my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, and it's not matte black, so keep that in mind, but I still do like it because it has such a precise felt tip. And then I'm going in with this flat brush and that darker brown eyeshadow and just kind of smudging that along my liner. And then I grabbed a pencil brush and just kind of diffused it. It just adds a really, really smoky effect to the liner. And then for lashes, I popped on my Shop Sophie Bella Barbados lashes. The link for those lashes will be in the description box down below. Shout out to everybody that supports our brand. We really, really, really appreciate it. I just applied a gel liner in my waterline. I'll leave the name of the one that I use in the description box. And then for my lower lash line, I'm doing pretty much the same thing that I did in the upper crease. First, that warm transition color and then the brown eyeshadow. And then for the black eyeshadow, I'm kind of applying it in a really precise way. I'm just kind of applying it to the outer lash line and not really dragging it all the way in. Just making sure that it's the most pigmented on that outer edge. And then I'm going back into that first smudger brush and that warm eyeshadow and just really blending all the shades together. Next, I'm going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and the last step for this look, I'm just popping my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 onto my inner corner, and also grabbing my spoolie and running it through some bar soap and then running it through my brow. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to the very end, thank you so much for supporting our channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Help me find the right